Okay, our goal is to find these three angles. And so what we need to start with is what we think we can figure out. Well, in this case, I know that a triangle has 180 degrees, meaning that I hopefully can figure out something with that. So when I look, oh, I didn't want that. I wanted to draw. What I do know here is what I need is I need this angle right here, right? So that I can set these equal to 180 and I can uh, solve for x. But what do I know about these two angles? Well, I know that this angle that I'm missing, that I want to know, plus this angle has to equal 180. So that means my missing angle is 180 minus 7 minus 12x. Okay? Because this, remember, is what I actually want. That's this one down here. And it's, because that has to be 180 because this is a straight angle. So that means that this right here, this is going to be this angle. So when I set this up, I'm going to have negative 8x plus 3 plus negative 5x plus 180 minus 7 plus 12x, because I had to distribute the sign, equals 180. Now I can solve. So I had to kind of use all my facts to write my equation, and then I get to clean up and solve. So let's see what I got here. I've got a negative 8x. I'm adding like terms. So these all are like terms. So I have a negative 8 plus a negative 5 plus positive 12 gives me negative x, because that's a negative 1, because this is 13 and that's 12. Then I have 3 plus 180 minus 7. This is plus 176 equals 180. So negative x equals, let's see here, minus is going to be 4, so x equals negative 4. Okay, now to find the equations, I'm going to go back and I'm put negative 4 in. So right here, this is going to be 20 degrees. That's going to be 32 plus 3, 35. And this last one, well, first I want to figure this one out. So 7, it's going to be plus, because plus 48. This is 55. Then 180 minus 55 would give me 125. So then as my check, those better equal 180, and they do. But that's a good way to kind of check, is figure out that supplementary angle that you used to set everything up and make sure it still works. So then my three angles they asked me to find are 35, 20, and 55 degrees. And I'm using both this, what I know about supplementary angles, and then what I know about the degrees of a triangle.